Hello everyone, it's Angel from the Abernathy's Go Green, and today I have for you an Empties video, and I've decided to also show you everything that I've replaced all of my empties with. So the first thing that I finished is the Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum, and I really like this serum. It says it has konjac root, ferulic acid, and hyaluronic acid. It says on the bottle that it's an uplifting antioxidant blend that brightens, tightens, and soothes the skin. You're supposed to lightly massage the serum onto face after washing in the morning and evening, followed with a Mad Hippie face cream. And I absolutely loved this serum. It was very hydrating, and as far as vitamin C goes, it's supposed to help your skin make more collagen and also help with hyperpigmentation, which is one of my concerns with my skin since I had really bad acne as a teenager and I'm still dealing with a little bit of adult acne. I always like to have vitamin C in my routine. The scent of this, I think Mad Hippie products have like one scent profile and it's pretty much the same throughout all of their line, or most of the line that I've tried 4 products from them, this being one of them, and they pretty much all smell the same. It has a very like floral, like a fresh fruity floral scent. At first I didn't really like the scent, but I got used to it. But yeah, as far as the serum goes, I really like that it's very hydrating and I really enjoyed this product. I didn't see any visible results though as far as my hyperpigmentation, but as far as it giving the antioxidants and extra layer of hydration, I really like it. So the serum that I'm currently using that I replaced this with is the Honua Skincare Aloha Youth Serum. This came in the January Pearlesque box. I'm actually about a quarter into the bottle, but I didn't start using this until I ran out of this because I don't like having a lot of products open at one time. So I got it in January. I didn't open it until I was finished with this. But this is my second bottle of this. The first bottle I got in the summer sometime when it was featured in a Beauty Heroes box. But I love this serum. It smells amazing. It smells like ylang-ylang and I really like it. It's very fresh and floral scent. It's very hydrating. All of the ingredients in here are supposed to be very healing for the skin, so I really like it. I've never really disliked any of the products that I've tried from Honua, and I've tried quite a bit of them, so this is a winner for me. I'm really happy with both of them. And then the next empty I have is the Mad Hippie Hydrating Nutrient Mist. This is my second bottle of this. This is an empty and I'm replacing it with another one. So this is my new bottle. I just opened it, and this is one of the best toners I've ever used because it is so hydrating. Like, now that it's summer and my skin tends to be a little bit on the oilier side again, I can get away with just using this after washing my face, just spritzing this on and pressing it onto my skin. But like I said, this is my third bottle, so that really speaks volume as to how much I love this product. So yeah, absolutely love this hydrating toner by Mad Hippie. Another Mad Hippie product, this is the last one, is their cream cleanser. It's supposed to be for normal to dry skin, and I started using this in I think January of this year because I got into cream cleansers, and oh my gosh, I love this so much. It comes in a glass pump packaging and I really kind of hate this. I wish it was in a tube because whenever I got up to about like I had like that much left in the bottle, it was so hard to get the little last bit of the product out. That's really the only bad thing that I have to say about this. But as far as it being so effective at removing makeup, very gentle on the skin, I didn't need to use like a second cleanser with this. I used a pump to remove my makeup and then kind of rinse it off or use a washcloth, and then use another pump to do like a second cleanse to make sure I got everything off, so that way I have clean skin. If you are used to the squeaky clean feeling that you get after washing your face, you will not get it from this, because this leaves your skin hydrated and supple and just lovely. Let me go ahead and mention this other face wash too that is an empty. This is the Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses Cleansing Foam. I used about half of this and my husband used the other half. This was also a really good cleanser. It's very gentle, very effective at removing makeup, didn't strip my skin, wonderful at removing makeup, like I said, because especially like around my eye area, if I'm wearing a lot of makeup, I have to like really get in there to remove all of my makeup, and this didn't sting my eyes, so I really loved it for that. It smelled really nice, like of fresh roses. Like I said, my husband used half of it because I was using it first, and then I discovered cream cleansers. I used the pie cleanser and then went for this one because I was using for a less expensive alternative to the pie cream cleanser, which was also lovely. So that was my kind of fall and then winter face wash. And then now that it's summer, I went back to double cleansing with an oil cleanser and a gel cleanser, and I'm using this because I had a backup in my skincare stash. I have a little drawer in my closet that whenever I stock up on skincare favorites, you know, some site will have a sale and I want to stock up on skincare products that I want to stock up on, that's where I put it. So I just had this in there, and my oil cleanser I just mix up in this little bottle of whatever like carrier oil I have. I think I have grapeseed, jojoba, sunflower, safflower, I think a little bit of castor oil in here. Nothing complicated. I've been doing this for years. Maybe like this is 30 or so. I don't think I've ever made the same combination ever because I just kind of throw in whatever oils I have in this little jar or in this little bottle. And then so I use this as an oil cleanser, and then I follow it with this gel cleanser, and this is also very gentle on my skin. You need like a pea-sized amount for it to suds up and really get everything off of your skin. I think it is a little bit more stripping than this one. Like this, I don't think is stripping at all. This one is a little bit more, you will get a squeaky clean feeling out of this cleanser. So these are the two that I'm using right now. And I think in the fall and winter, I'm gonna go back to a cream cleanser. And the next couple of products that are empties are these Acure Ultra Hydrating Body Lotion in the fragrance free, and it's the cocoa butter plus CoQ10, and a nourishing body lotion, lemongrass and argan oil. I used up 2 of these. I just really love Acure lotions. Very lightweight but hydrating at the same time. The scent of this argan and lemongrass is just and I've mentioned before how I really don't care for the fragrances that Acure uses on their lotions, so I just really stick to the unscented ones. So they've since repackaged all of their products, and I picked up the Simply Unscented Cocoa Butter plus CoQ10 Body Lotion, and it's in a 12-ounce bottle now with a pump. And I really like this because this has 8 ounces, and I know I go through it pretty quickly. The whole family uses it. I even use it on Maverick. Very cleanly formulated, and it just works, and it's very inexpensive. I think this was like $7 or so from Vitacost. So nothing fancy or frilly about this lotion at all, just plain works. It just hydrates your skin really well. Really one of my favorite lotions. And then I also picked up, if you saw my May favorites, you know that I fell completely in love with the Pina Colada scent of that lip scrub that we got in the Petit Bour box. And so I picked up a coconut hand and body lotion from Desert Essence, and this smells amazing, and it is even more moisturizing than this is. This is lightweight but very hydrating, but this is more moisturizing. This is more emollient. There's the word I'm looking for. It's more emollient than the Acure one, and it smells amazing. That was really the only thing that I was looking for, was the scent. Like, I don't need another lotion. I've got this, you know. Good ingredients, but it does have the fragrance in there. And I know a lot of people try to avoid fragrance, and I, for one, also try to avoid fragrance in my, especially something that's gonna go on my whole body. But I just couldn't resist it. I have to have more coconut scented things in my life right now. I don't know. I'm just like addicted to it right now. Okay, so a couple more products left, okay? We went through this RenPure Coconut Milk and Vitamin E Body Wash. This was something that I picked up at Walmart because we ran out of our favorite and we needed a body wash. And I saw this at Walmart, and it says it's 0 sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, phthalates, propylene glycol. I like that it's in a 24-ounce bottle with a pump, so that's really nice. It says it's family owned and operated, a Redmond family company. It's not tested on animals, but they don't have the little leaping bunny symbol on the bottle, so I really don't know how what that means. But it's really good ingredients, except it has that fragrance. And this is, it says coconut milk and vitamin E. This is like, I get no hint of coconut in this. And this was before I went crazy and wanted to buy everything coconut. But this was like the best smelling one of the choices that they had there. And this is like super strongly scented. It smells like Pantene or Herbal Essences, one of those shampoos that's so strongly scented. Like when we use this, it would be like a couple hours later and you walk into the shower and you can still smell it. That's how strongly scented it is. So I really hope to never have to pick this up again. I'm glad that they have more cleanly formulated stuff at Walmart now, because really, like, living in the middle of nowhere, that's the only choice that we have. That's why I'm always like so into getting my stuff from Vitacost or Pharmaca, Amazon, whatever. Now that we're done with that, like I said, I hope to never have to buy that again. I need to just be better prepared for whenever we run out of our favorite. And this is the Alaffia Authentic African Black Soap, Body Wash, Face Cleanser, Hand Soap, and for shaving. This is just like a giant 32-ounce bottle of this. We use it mainly for body wash, but I did see my husband using this to shave. I was like, what are you doing? Like, well, it says it's good for shaving too. So he used it for shaving, like the first time that I bought this, and he really liked it for that. It's not stripping to the skin, which he also mentioned, because I used to have a African black soap bar that was just sucked all the moisture out of your face and body. So he did say that he liked this, that it didn't strip his skin. But yeah, this also has really good ingredients. It does not come with a pump. This is a pump that I save specifically for this, because it just comes with a flip top cap, and it's kind of hard to, you know, pour this on your loofah, especially, you know, I have little ones. So I just saved one of the pumps, which I'm probably gonna save the pump for this one too. But anyways, this is one of our favorites. I don't know how many bottles we've gone through. So one of the last things I ran out of is the 7th generation disinfecting wipes. Like I've said before, I don't like that we use this because it's disposable wipes. It's so like terrible. Like we don't even use paper towels anymore. So having this is just but I need it because I have boys that pee all over our toilet, so I just need something easy to, I can pop out of here and wipe all of their mess off of my toilet. The ingredients are decent in this, although I know that 7th generation is owned by Procter & Gamble or Unilever, one of those. And so I saw this Better Life cleansing wipes, naturally filth fighting, cuts through grease and grime, clary sage and citrus scent. And it's the same size. It has 70 wipes, and it says multi-surface, no harsh fumes, unbeatable clean. It has plant-derived cleaning agents from soap bark, coconut, and corn. So it doesn't have alcohol, petroleum, synthetic fragrance, no dyes, no parabens, no SLS, which this has SLS, just the good stuff, it says, and it has the little leaping bunny sign, so I know that it's cruelty-free, so it's all good. But it sucks. I used this a couple of times and it really made me miss the 7th generation one, because this had like really thick cloth, like, and it's really wet, like really damp enough, like it still has a lot of the liquid in here, and it's like all the wipes are gone. The wipes are like so thin and flimsy, and it's the same size, you know, as far as the surface size, but it's so thin. Like I can use 2 of the 7th generation one to clean the whole entire toilet, even like the bathroom sink after they've brushed their teeth, and be good. But this, I have to use more of the wipes because the wipe material, whatever they use, is not very strong. So whenever I'm done with this, I think I'm gonna have to go back to the 7th generation one. And this just smells it smells like a conventional cleaning product. This one smells like Times, not headachy cleaning product scent, you know, so I really like the 7th generation a lot better. So the last thing that we finished, our whole entire family, is the BioKleen laundry liquid in the sport version. It does 128 loads in this one little bottle, 64 ounces, does 128 loads if you have the high efficiency washer, which we do. And so this lasts us quite a long time as well, and it cleans really well. Plant derived ingredients and family owned and operated, manufactured in the USA, 100% energy and water offset. What else? All the wonderful things that it says about it. It smells really good, but it doesn't leave your clothes fragranced or anything. Your clothes are just, it just smells really clean, like clean laundry. It doesn't have like a lingering fragrance left after you wash it. So I bought another one, another BioKleen. This is my third bottle of this that I bought in a row. I've tried it a long time ago when I was new to green cleaning products, and I don't know if we just had like a bad washer that I didn't really feel like it cleaned well enough, but this time we got a new washer and everything, so I tried this again and love it. So that wraps up our empties and what I've replaced them with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye!